本当、本当。本当 is mean true or reality or actuality or the fate or in fate. In here we have the sentence like それは本当ですかそれは本当ですか is mean is that reality? 本当 is mean the true and 本当 is mean the true and 本気 is also mean the true, right? But it's different. 本当 is mean we will use not about the mind or the heart, right? But we use by the thing that in reality. For example, yesterday Mr. John came to join the party. Yesterday Mr. John came to join the party yesterday. So if yesterday Mr. John came to join the party, it's true that they say 本当. This 本当 is mean about the situation that happened and that is true or not true. So it's about the event or the situation that the event that happened. So they will use 本当。本当にジェニーさんはパーティーに来ましたか本当にジェニーさんはパーティーに来ましたか which mean word is true that Jenny Sang came to join the party yesterday. So this means you used to confirm that something is true or not true, right? So this is about the difference when we use 本当 and 本気